it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Woo! Today we're here with Teejay, Dip, featuring Tommy Lee. So I react to the music, the audio track. Now we're here with the video. I didn't know the video was gonna drop. So we're gonna react to the video. We don't know what I'm saying at the audio track already. So we're gonna pay attention to what's going on the video. Alright? Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. They again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that, and you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist. Same way, you can do that same way by linking up. You see me? Jamaica_verse_gamer on Instagram. You see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that. You see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video. Alright, let's go.
Let me stay up on top of my game. I no stay up on top of my name. Put me in the all of fame. You know, see me a dance like a
Big up the dancer them. Big up the skanker them. Ladies, me see one in that video too. Big up on yourself. If you don't want the reaction to what I say, I go pin the next reaction I'm do to the audio itself at the end of the video. So you can see that and then see what I got to my game, hey. On top of my name, hey.
Put me in the all of fame. You know, see me a dance like a everybody up the try. Got that gus in your man, you're too ready, guy. And in the air, put them up in the sky.
But
Some did,
yo, Teejay is very smart. And the team around Teejay is very smart because obviously Drip forward out and you see how Drip damaged last year. So the boss forward out and put this on him EP again with a next dancing one like Dip. You see me? So yeah, I want different avenue now, Teejay, and I show we as the fans how creative you are, bro. And it's working, it's paying off. Big up Sparta boss too.
Some did, Dip. Some fuck it up, Dip. Run it up, Dip. If you nightclub, in your bunny top, Dip. Tell us I'm sweet like honey cup. But if me dipping in my waist, every man and every girl I figure.
Dip.
Some ski, Dip. Some ski, fuck it up, Dip.
Oh my God! It's bad, dog. This is bad. This is a creeper. This is a creeper. This is a creeper. This is a creeper, dog. This is a creeper up on you. Rabbi! How me say?
Let me stay up on top of my game. I no stay up on top of my name. Put me in the all of fame. You know, see me a dance like a everybody up the try. Got that gus in your man, you're too ready, guy. And in the air, put them up in the sky. Dip in my waist, everybody, you
Deep.
Some did,
Deep. Yeah, deep, yeah.
Some fuck it up, Dip. Run it up, Dip. If you nightclub, in your bunny top, Dip. Tell us I'm sweet.
Yo, Teejay, another one, yeah? Teejay and Tommy Lee sound alike. I swear to God. The two of them sound alike another one, yeah, dog. I swear.
Some fuck it up, Dip. Run it up, Dip. If you nightclub, in your bunny top, Dip. Tell us I'm sweet like honey cup. But if me dipping in my waist, every man and every girl I figure.
Dip.
Some ski, Dip. dip. Run it up, dip. Up in nightclub, we are running.
Love so when the girl them dance, you see.
Dip. Badness large, chip charge. This ooh, which part? I'm in a care ooh. I walk which crowd. I will feel long blue, man, make it sweet fire. Run it up, dip.
Oh God!
Badness large,
Clean charge.
this ooh,
Which part?
I'm in a care ooh. I walk
Which
which
crowd?
crowd. I will feel long blue, man, make it sweet fire.
Bruh.
Because I two girl alone, man. Now I see a Gucci pin on them shots. None of my killer then I shop at Walmart. So when we are braff, we don't do the half floss. How the talk?
Dip.
Can I see friends for real? Watch what of them are? Dip. Can I see UTC? Watch it down, G, I fuck it up. Dip. Run it up. Dip.
Who create the dancer? Who create the dancer for the video? Like, is it from Ding Dong said dip? Or dip again? Or is it a same dip that them a do? Or is this from Lali dip? Or what is it? Is it a new one? Because it look like the dancer has been there already. So Teejay just a singing.
Walmart. So when we are braff, we don't do the half floss. How the talk? Can I see friends for real? Watch what of them are?
Dip.
Can I see UTC? Watch it down, G, I fuck it up. Dip. Run it up. Dip. All of me gal, them a be a bad bitch. So pretty done, them a so be done do it. You know, say we style them tough concrete. Dip. Some skis, some skis, some skis, some
Dip.
some smooth, some suit, some fuck it up.
Dip.
Rough it up.
Dip.
Up in nightclub, we a turn it up. Can I see me sweet night when you come? I saw me dip. Some skis, some skis, some skis, some dip. Some smooth, some smooth, some smooth, some fuck it up, dip. Money enough, dip. Up in nightclub, we a turn it up, dip. Tell us some sweet, me a honey cup. And if me dipping on my waist, if me dipping on my waist, so no dip. Some skis, some skis, some skis, some.
Love this. We love this, man. On the records. Logics. Yo, it's good to see the artists them have fun, brother. Like, them enjoy the moment, them enjoy the music. Big up Tamily and big up Teejay. It good and big up the dancer them and the skanker them in the video. Good to see the artists them not stuck in a one dark state. Cause you know from already every artist dark and hungry and you know in a war vibe. So obviously last year Teejay forward with Drift and fuck up the whole place. So the boss tells us with this, you know. This is a creeper. This a forward come to damage also. Like you can see it already. You see me? And the G believe in it, and that's why them spend their money and put in and give you a video. Like me say, me never expect the video to be here already. But the video is here and me like it. Like it bad, it clean. You see me? And it's good to see the Gozo boss are doing thing and are doing bonks and with a smile on him face. You see me? So that means to say all the artists them enjoy themselves. And these are two mobby artists. These are two mobile artists. So it's good to see the artists them a link and I do them things. So big up yourself, Teejay. Big up yourself, Tamily. You don't know. You see me? Big up everybody in the video, man. The video nice. It's nice. Watch it, y'all lemma. Dip. I think me personally, I think dancehall needed this. I think we need more like this. We need more like this happy music. So we should say like we can vibe to it and you know we need these type of songs. So yeah, big up yourself, Teejay. Alright, this I'm gonna leave down and still if you enjoy the one and want to see more. Actually, if you want to see the reaction of me reacting to what Teejay and Tamily was saying, click on any one of them video. It's gonna be one of them. We are float right now. So yeah. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Dip.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And as they say, rip connect.